welcome back to the channel. Today we're back on the 93 foxbody and we're putting in the AOD transmission automatic. I know, go ahead and comment below saying that it should be straight drive, but for what I'm going to do with it, it needs to be automatic. But I know that stick shifts are fun and everything, but I gotta have an automatic. And I was going through it and got the valve body out here, and I noticed that I was missing one of these. I don't know if you can see it, one of these check balls, but it's got to be the big one, the 5/16. So I put it away for years until now, got it back out, and I went to a transmission parts department and found what check ball that I needed. I needed the 5/16 check ball, so I got it from them, and so it comes 6 to a pack. So let's get that check ball in, get it all put back together, get it slid underneath here, and it'll be done. So come along and enjoy some of the fun that I have. Alright, as you can see, I've got the valve body and everything back in it, sitting up straight. Now I gotta get the flex plate and this piece on the engine that's sitting in there, right there. I gotta get it on the back side before I can shove this and that in there. So let's get to it. Alright, I gotta open this hole and open this hole up so the dowel pin can fit in there, because right now the dowel pin won't fit in there. So let me get these opened up to where it'll accept this dowel pin and we can get moving. Alright, I've got that shield on. Now it's time for that flex plate to get put on, and then the torque converter and transmission hopefully will be up in here. So let me get that done. Alright, I've got the flex plate in with the bolts. I just don't have them Loctited or sealant on them. I'm just putting them in there just for a car show, and then after the car show I'll be taking it back apart and putting Loctite on them. So there's the flex plate. So next is to try to get the transmission in. Alright, as you can tell, I've got the transmission underneath the car, but the torque converter is right over there, but it's not in the transmission yet. So I'll have to wait and see what I'm going to do, if I want to pick it up again, if I'm going to pick up from here or wait till tomorrow. So just wait and see.
Well guys, we are back out here, hopefully trying to put the transmission in today. As you can see, he's fully under the car. Alright guys, as you can see, we have it in, and we will finish it tomorrow. We have it in a redneck way, but it's in. So stay tuned and we will show you the finished results tomorrow.
Alright, hey guys, back. I finally got the transmission in the car, so I'll show you that, and I'll show you what I had to do just to get it up in there. And the torque converter cannot go in because it's screwed up. I'll show you that too. So let me show you the torque converter, why it can't go in. I don't know if you can see them threads. The threads are all jacked up. There you go. I don't know if you can see it, but right there, the threads are all jacked up and it won't go on, or the nut won't go on. So I gotta get a new torque converter. And now the transmission, I don't know if you can see it, but the transmission's in. There's the cross member, and I had to use ratchet straps and a jack, and I think I did the transmission pan. So I have to source one, get a better one, or get this one pushed out. But the transmission is in for the car show in October for Oktoberfest. So there it is, and I gotta get tires, as you can see. I gotta get tires for it to roll, but it's coming together. So until next time.